Hello and welcome to a quick walkthrough video of how to use Bookalope. In this video, we will show you how to create your first book flow, how to upload and review your manuscript, and lastly, how to convert it into your finished book, whether accessible ebook or print-ready book, or some other optional format for your personal design workflow. Let's get started. After you create your Bookalope account, you'll be directed straight to the homepage where all your current books and bookshelves will be listed. We recommend that you spend some time taking a look at your profile, billing, and plans pages in the drop-down menu to familiarize yourself with the website. These sections will be covered in other in-depth tutorial videos. You can find a link for them in the description section below. To start a new book flow, click on the Create a New Book button under the My Books section. This will take you to the next page where you'll be asked to enter a name for the book and the book flow that you'll be working with. You'll also be able to select a bookshelf to save your book in. After you've completed this step, click on the Create New Book and Book Flow button. This will take you to the Upload page where you'll be able to import a document from your own computer into Bookalope. This can be a Word document or a file in another similar format like OpenOffice or Apple Pages. You can also upload an existing ebook and EPUB format. When you have selected your file, click on the Upload File and Continue button so that Bookalope can start analyzing and cleaning up the structure of your book. Once Bookalope has finished processing your file, you'll be taken to the Review page. There, you'll be able to check that Bookalope understood the structure of your book correctly and tweak the classification labels if necessary. Add more meaningful information to the structure to make it as accessible as possible, and check and edit the content if needed. The right side of the page will show you your processed book rendered as close to the original document as possible. You can also select to view your document based on its structure rather than its original style by pressing the X key or toggling the preview switch in the floating toolbox at the bottom of the page. The toolbox allows you to view a summary of the properties of each of the elements in your document when you hover your mouse over them. If you select an element, the toolbox will show detailed information for the selected element and allow you to add more information. Such additional information is generally optional, but we recommend you spend some time adding it to ensure you create a truly accessible ebook. Bookalope's base principle is to strictly separate content and presentation to ensure your document is optimally structured and is therefore accessible for e-readers. Enriching the information of each element in your document using the toolbox helps Bookalope to confirm that it classified the visual styling of your book correctly and therefore understood the structure of your book. To ensure that your book is structured correctly, review the labels that have been assigned to each of the elements in your manuscript. You'll find these on the left side of the page. You can click on the assigned labels to change the label for an element. Next to each label, you'll find a checkbox which allows you to select one or several elements at a time. If you have elements with the same properties, you can use the Alt key and click to select all elements with the same styling across the entire manuscript and make structural changes to your document in bulk. You can also press the S key to switch between views and show only the specific elements that you have selected in bulk. If you want to fix typos or make other changes to your text, simply click on a paragraph to edit. You will find more detailed instructions of all the tools to review your document at the top of the page or in our online manual. You will find the link to this in the description box below. When you're done reviewing the structure and content of your book and you're happy with your changes, click the Confirm and Finish button at the bottom of the page. And there you have it. Your book is all ready for conversion. To convert your book, simply select the file format into which you'd like to convert it. You'll also be asked to pick your preferred visual styling and adjust the export features. After you're done, click the Convert Full Version button for your finished document. If you haven't purchased the plan yet and assigned it to this book flow, then you can do so before you initiate the conversion. Otherwise, you will see a Convert Test Version button instead. You won't be able to read this test version because Bookalope jumbles some of your text randomly, but you can use the converted book to explore the different stylings and export options before you settle on your preferred one. That's it. If you want to access more detailed information on how to use Bookalope, you'll find more in-depth instructions in our online manual page or in our series of video tutorials. You'll find all the relevant links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.